Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the opportunity for those who have got at least 3 years of work experiences in their related job sector. They can come in Australia and settle down. Before we begin, I would like to tell you guys this video is for helping people to understand, to know the information about how they can come in Australia easily and what are their options. So if you have any concern, if you don't like my video, before putting any negative feedback, please watch entire video so you will have an idea what I'm going to say. I'm not a native English speaker, so there might be mistake when I'm talking. So rather than finding the mistakes in my video, please find what are the beneficial thing can be helpful from this video for you. I put my 5 videos earlier in Bengali. So the reason I put this video in English, because I think if you don't understand English, if you can't speak English well, so this video is not going to be helpful for you. So it will be helpful if you understand English, if you speak English well. So I think that's the person I'm looking for to watch this video. So now come to the point, come to the topics. What I said that okay, you need 3 years of experience. Then how could be helpful? How this could be helpful for you? So Australia has got primarily two kind of visa. One is temporary, and other one is short-term, temporary or short-term visa. Other one is a long-term or permanent visa we call. So if you come in any kind of short-term visa, so you need at least 3 years of experience. That's the minimum requirement. And so you can come in this category so you can come in this country and settle down with this category. So what are the actually requirements of that visa? The primary requirement, as I said, you need to have at least 3 years of work experiences. You need to have a English proficiency. So to prove that, you can go for IELTS or you can go for PTE. So go for that test and you get the certificate, and that can be the enough proof that okay, you got English proficiency. And then you have to have a skill assessment. So a lot of people do mistakes. They think you need to have a really higher education to come in Australia and settle, but actually that's wrong. So as long as you have a job experience on your related job sector, so you have to contact with a skill assessment authority in Australia so they can verify your skill and knowledge, and then they will provide you a certificate, and that certificate will be helpful to process your visa. So you don't have to have a really higher education to come in Australia. So, and then the other thing, you need to have a definitely sponsor in some cases, some visa, but some permanent residency visa, you don't need to be you don't need to have a sponsorship from Australia. So you can, if you can fulfill the primary requirement and like you are below 45 years old, you have an English proficiency certificate, you got a skill assessment. So I'll make another video to how you can do the skill assessment things and details. So what are the job sector now? What job sector you can apply? So there are plenty of jobs. So there are more than 600 categories of job in Australia. So they are looking for people to come in Australia, to qualified people, skilled people. So if you are one of them, you can just give a try. So I will put a link in the description below so you can have a look what job category you are, and are you falling in those categories. And I can tell you a couple of them. If you are a chef, or cook, even if you are a doctor, engineer, could be civil engineer, mechanical engineer, if you are a nurse, if you are agricultural scientist, there are a huge opportunity, even the plumber, mechanic. So but the condition is you need to have a really good English proficiency, and for permanent residency your English level at least 6 on each. For temporary visa, in some cases is 4.5 and some cases is 5. So and if you have any concern about any things related to this video or Australian visa, please give a comment to my video so I can give a reply. I can make another video with that topic. So and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I would I'll be grateful to if you guys subscribe my channel, and I'll be more happy that to put a new video with the new topics. And thank you very much. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.